In today's video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing and how last year I made approximately $50,000 just from my YouTube channel. Let's jump right in. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you promoting a product that somebody else is selling and you get a small commission from it. A lot of YouTubers use affiliate marketing when they do tech reviews, like cameras, cell phones, headphones, whatever kind of piece of technology. There's a lot of YouTubers that do reviews on these products. And then in their description of their YouTube video, they have Amazon links to go to those products, where usually it's the cheapest price on Amazon. So the person that watched that review, they watched that review and they saw it and they were like, cool, I'm now convinced that I want to buy it. They click on that link, they get taken to Amazon's website, they add it to cart, they check out. The person that sent them to Amazon gets a small commission, anywhere from like 4 to 7% usually is like a nice average commission rate. And so these huge tech reviewers, they do thousands upon thousands upon thousands of reviews, like the best camera for YouTube, every single phone that comes out, they do a review on it. And there are numerous people that make these videos, but if yours is the one that made them click to go buy that product, you get kind of like a finder's fee. Now you can sign up with any affiliate program as long as you have like a decent subscriber base or a nice amount of traffic at your website. Basically, you apply for these affiliate programs, and if you meet their criteria, they accept you into the affiliate program. Like Walmart has one, Best Buy has one, Amazon has one. Many online courses have them. Udemy has it, SkillShare has it. I use SkillShare. It's a big product that I promote on this channel. And essentially, every time you drive traffic and they get a sale, you get 4 to 7% of the price of that product. And it's not only that product. If they go to Amazon and they decide not to get the camera or the cell phone that you reviewed, but while they're there, they decide, hey, I need diapers or toothpaste or a blanket, and they buy that blanket while they're still trafficking under your link, you will get commission for a blanket. Even though their intention wasn't even to buy that blanket when they watched your video, you still get commission because you brought that person to Amazon. Now, if you could imagine, say, I don't know, a camera is $500 and you get a 7% commission. Now, if the commission rate is 7%, you made a quick $35 off of sending one person to Amazon to buy that camera. And if you've got a nice heavy traffic load on your YouTube channel, say you're a huge tech reviewer and you only do cameras and DSLRs, and one video has 1 million views, at least 10% of those people are going to be clicking that link, and at least another 5% is going to be actually converted into a purchase. So a lot of these tech YouTubers, they make a good $100,000, $250,000 a year just off of Amazon affiliate links. But again, it's very high traffic because these people are very, very popular. Most of the smaller channels don't get as much. So for example, my channel, I've done some reviews on some products. I do link to the cameras that I use for this YouTube channel to Amazon. And I even made one video that was totally random. If you follow the channel, you know I bought a treadmill for my wife for her birthday, and we did like a daily vlog. We went to the store, we bought it, brought it back, we unboxed it through a time lapse. I did a quick review on it, and I titled the video the name of the treadmill that we bought. And a lot of people watched that video, and I converted, I don't know, like 15, 20 people to buy that product, and it was a $700 treadmill. So you can see how that was profitable for me to make that one video that took me, I don't know, 30 minutes. And even it's a year old and I'm still making money off that one video because people buy that treadmill. But if you're catching on right now, it's only a few dollars here and there on Amazon. And so Amazon is not my main affiliate program that I make most of my money off of. If you're a subscriber of this channel, you also know that I did a video on how to make $2,000 a week driving Lyft. Now that video, I had been driving Lyft solid for a year at the time of recording that video, and I knew that I wanted to give to other people the advice that I use to make a decent amount of money every week and stay consistent through Lyft. Because my intention was to give value to people, and a lot of people were confounded by this idea because they're like, dude, you're giving away all your secrets, you're going to make less money. But I was driving in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a huge city. Even if there were 75 of me, we could never hit the same points. You know what I mean? So as long as I was giving value and people were making money, I was happy because I was providing value for people. And through that, a lot of people watched that video and they signed up for Lyft. And I put my referral code on there because if you sign up under somebody's referral code and you do 150 rides in your first 30 days of driving as a Lyft driver, you get a $500 bonus. And it's not really like free money that they're giving you. I mean, Lyft takes a commission. They're basically just giving you that commission back. The cool part about this is that I also made that $500 every time they did their first 150 rides in their first 30 days. So that video has over 250,000 views, and I think I've had about 250 people sign up. Now, it wasn't like a lump sum. It was per ride that they did. It was a couple bucks up to 150, you know? So if they did, I don't know, 30 rides, I would get $30. Or if they did all the rides, I'd get 500. It went like this for about a year before they ended the commission structure, the whole sign up referral code, because what Lyft wanted to do was incentivize drivers to sign up because they needed more drivers on the road. But now that the market is super saturated, they no longer need those drivers, so they're no longer offering the sign-up bonus. But over the course of the last year, after making that one video, which in total took me 45 minutes, an hour to record, and about 2 hours to edit, so for that 3 hours worth of work, I had one entire year of revenue coming in for free without me working through my affiliate link. And so if you average it out like $250 instead of like 500 or zero, nice average number, 250 times those 250 people that signed up, I made approximately 50,000 US dollars doing nothing. Literally 4 hours worth of work for me was the equivalent of $50,000. Now, could you imagine if I had, I don't know, 30 videos like that, where the more I grow my channel, the more I get these large view counts, the more I promote my affiliate links and adding value to people. I mean, you could make a serious full-time income just off of the YouTube thing. And most people get confused when it comes to YouTube and making money. They think that it's all from the ads, from the commercials. But I mean, that's a very small part. Most of it comes from brand deals, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for something to do kind of part-time on the side, build up a YouTube channel, make some reviews about products that you enjoy, products that you have in your house, put them up on YouTube, sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, and link people to that. I mean, if you made a good video and you made an honest review about the product and you really advocate people buy it, and then people buy it, you'll get a little bit of money. And you're basically advertising for the company. Somebody's paying you for it. So, as some of you know that follow me on this channel, I live in Poland now. So I got to take that 50,000 US dollars and then multiply it by 4 with the currency exchange. So it's close to 200,000 Polish zloty. And the money spends the same, you know. A dollar in Poland is the same as a zloty here. So bread, cheese, rent, cars, it was all paid for by that one video that I did. This car that I'm sitting in was paid for within 3 weeks of earning affiliate commissions. So yeah, I mean, that's my secret. It's no secret. That's how people make money on the internet. So if you would like to get into making a YouTube channel, which I highly advocate, start a YouTube channel, put in affiliate links, make some side money. It's very simple, guys. It's not going to be a lot at first, but once you get your first $20 from Amazon, you're going to be like, hey, there's something about this whole affiliate marketing thing. And it's not, you're not scamming anything out of anybody. Like, you're giving an honest review, somebody's buying the product, the person that's selling it is giving you a commission for driving traffic to their Amazon store. Everybody's happy. They made the sale, you made some money, the person that watched the review got the product that they wanted. Everybody's happy. There's no weird things going on. Affiliate marketing is amazing. That's how all sales are done. If you guys would like a follow-up video on exactly how to do all this stuff, leave a comment down below. I'd appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you got some value out of it, hit subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.